you excited, baby? We're here at the hotel. This is your first hotel experience. Is it her first hotel experience?
Yeah.
You've never gone anywhere else? We're going to the hotel. Yay! Say yay! Yay! Ole! Uh-oh! Uh-oh! Oh, I like that it's not that full. Yeah, she's not. We go? We are here. Hey, baby. Look at you. Baby, let's go. Asante. Let's go, baby, come. We go. We go. We go where?
We go.
Do you know where we're going?
I'm going.
We're going to our hotel room. And then swimming. You want swimming?
Petit.
Sama. You're happy now? Come tell us how happy you are. You're happy?
I shower.
You want to shower? She just said she wants to shower. I think she knows that she's not clean, that she's been sweaty and She's saying she wants to shower and swim, so let me check in. This place is so pretty. What are you drinking?
Coconut.
Say coconut. Let's try. My mic has decided to work. It does not like transit, and I'm here sipping on my don't fall Madafu welcoming drink. I needed this because it's so hot right now on coast. It's so refreshing. Baby, you're shy.
I'm shy.
Why are you shy? Why are you running away? Dude, you guys, this baby has cried for us on the train and in the car since 8 a.m. and the minute we checked into the parking lot of this hotel, she was like a different person. So happy, cheerful. I don't even know what to say, to be honest. It's just unbelievable. You're happy? You're happy? We go? We go? baby? Ah, she's heavy, mommy. You're laughing at me, baby. First cabinet has a fridge, a kettle with some cups, and a safe for you to keep your valuables, and extra pillows, and a blow dryer, which is needed for those swimming dates. Yes, baby. Just a cupboard. And then you have the room. Yes, baby mama. Has a TV.
Mama.
A mirror. Yes, baby.
Mama.
Yes, Choo-choo. Hi. And these switches that light up the room some more. So if you're an influencer and you're coming here, you have good lighting for those selfie videos when you're in bed. The only thing I'll say about this room is these sockets, the golden ones, they can't be used for anything. You can't charge your phone, nothing. Then there's a phone here and a remote for the AC, which is over there. For the AC to work, you have to leave your key in the door. Let me show you. So here is where you leave the key, this thing, in the door. If you don't leave it in the door, the AC won't work. Statue. Kunywa juice, baby. I love your attitude, sis. Give her, we see. Give her a small one. Yummy. Putaki. Putaki, baby. Okay. Okay. Okay, come. It's the end of day 1. We've just come from dinner, which was so amazing. I didn't get to shoot that part because my camera battery died, but I did a quick review on my Instagram. I'll make sure tomorrow and the day after that my camera is fully charged so that I can do a nice food review for you for breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Anyway, Boo and I and my mommy are very, very, very tired. So this is just a sign off from day 1. Clearly this one, I don't know if she's tired or not. Just energy for days. Energy. Hi, energy. She has so much energy for days, but we're going to black out very fast because we have to be up very early for breakfast. My first impression of Southern Palm was really nice. It actually lived up to the expectations that I had. It looks exactly like it does on the internet with the multiple swimming pools. And when I talked to... Yeah, swimming. And I talked to the guys at Killian Travel, I specified 2 things: that I want somewhere with very many swimming pools so that you can go hide in a empty swimming pool with my boo-boo, and also a place with really good food. Oh my gosh, what is going on, Sama? What is going on? So far they have ticked the list for somewhere with really good food. In terms of dinner, I'll see how breakfast and lunch goes. And swimming pools, they ticked the list instantly. I can't wait to go swimming tomorrow with my boo-boo, both in the pool and the ocean. So see you guys tomorrow. Remember that if you feel like tomorrow, it's like as if I'm going to upload it today, but remember, if you want to book a trip to Southern Palm, Kenya, do it through Killian Travel and tell them I sent you. They have really awesome packages, which I will be talking about tomorrow here and on Instagram. Again, it's not like I'm posting it in real time, but good night, guys. Say good night. Blow a kiss. Mwah.